In this problem 4, we're told that in some country now, 70% of the daughters of working women also work, and 30% of the daughters of non-working women work. Let's set up a transition matrix here. So we're going to have W for working, W prime for not working. How about W for working, W prime not working? And what we're given here is that, okay, if the mother's working, 70% chance of the daughters will be working. So we're going to write a 0.70 here. We'll try 0.70, and that must mean this is a 0.30, right? 70% of working mothers' daughters work, 30% must not. And then we're told that 30% of non-working mothers, their daughters work. So we're going to come over here now. Non-working mothers, their daughters, 30% of them will work. So this must be a 0.70. There's our transition matrix. And now we also know that, okay, things are going to remain unchanged from one generation to the next. So we've got a Markov process, a Markov chain. And currently, all right, so this is P naught, right? So we're given that P naught, the original condition, working, not working, is 42% are working, which means that, what, 58% of women are not working. We want to determine the proportion of these women's granddaughters that will be working and not working. All right, so write the answer as a 2-digit percent. All right, so what we're looking for is this. P naught, this is the mothers. Now P1, right, just to keep track of it, P1, this is going to be the daughters. And then P2, this would be the granddaughters. All right, so granddaughters. So we're looking for P2, so we need to get P2. We're going to get P2 by doing this. P2 is going to be T squared, T to the 2, times P naught. So when we compute this, we'll get P2 equals, okay, we're going to get 0.70, 0.30, that's a 70, 0.30, 0.70. I'm going to put that into my calculator and square it, and then I'm going to multiply it by 0.42, 0.58. So I did this, and on my calculator, I got this. I got 0.4872 and 0.5128, but we want to write it as a two decimal places. So we're going to say this. The proportion of women, of granddaughters who are working, that's going to be, say, now we want it as a percent, right? So it's going to be 49%. Right around 2 places. So I'm going to round this up, right? 8, 7, round it up to 9. And then not working, well, that's going to be 51%. So I'm going to write them as percents because that's what we're asked for, not probabilities.